I'm going to guide you, step by step, through setting up and using Time Machine Backup on a Mac. Step 1. Find an external hard drive. Look for a sturdy, reliable, and roomy external hard drive that can handle all your Mac's backup needs. Your Mac can be pretty needy, so choose wisely. Step 2. Connect the hard drive to your Mac. Plug the hard drive into your Mac's USB or Thunderbolt port. This part is like plugging in a lamp. Simple, right? Step 3. Turn on Time Machine. Once your hard drive is connected, go to the Apple menu and select System Settings from the drop-down menu. In System Settings, click on the General tab. In the General tab, look for the Time Machine option near the bottom of the list. Step 4. Choose the hard drive. When you turn on Time Machine, it will automatically look for available hard drives. Choose the one you just plugged in. Time Machine and your hard drive are about to become besties. Step 5. Customize your backup. Time Machine will automatically back up your entire Mac, but you can choose which files to exclude if you're low on storage space. Pick and choose what you want to back up, and let Time Machine do the rest. Step 6. Sit back and relax. Once you've set up Time Machine, it will automatically back up your Mac on a regular basis. So, you can sit back and relax, knowing that your data is safe and sound. No more worries about losing important files. Hooray! Step 7. Check your backups. From time to time, it's a good idea to check your Time Machine backups to make sure they're up to date. You can do this by clicking on the Time Machine icon in your menu bar and selecting Enter Time Machine. It's like going on a trip to the past, but without a DeLorean. That's it, you're all set up with Time Machine Backup on your Mac. Remember, always back up your data to avoid any data disasters.